Oh, happy day to you. Congratulations. Your website is now active on the internet. And here now, I want to show you the settings you need to put in place in order for uh, the website to be completely ready for customers to make use of. Number one, log in with your login details, especially the number you registered with, which has been upgraded to admin level status. After logging in, the first thing to do is to set your prices. So go here and click on settings. Select the network you want to set the prices for. MTN, starting with MTN now. So here down here is the price at which we are selling to you. And then here up is where you need to edit the prices to your own preferred prices. So let's say 500 megabyte of data. Currently, you are buying it at 140 naira and you are selling at 160. If you want to edit it, you click on edit. You can review the price up or down. Let's say we are reviewing it up to 180 naira. We put it there and we click on update data bundle. So here now, your 500 megabytes MTN data bundle is now 180 naira, valid for 30 days. The same thing, your 1 gig data bundle is currently sold at 350 naira, which you can, and then you are buying at 220 naira from us. So you can also edit that if you wish, maybe review it up or down. So this is how you would do. Just click on edit, scroll down, change the price. I'm bringing it down to 300. Then click on update data bundle. So cool. Here we have it. Your 1 gigabyte of MTN data is now sold for 300 naira valid for 30 days. So this is how you would do for the rest of the network. You click on go glow. So you click on edit, you change the price, you compare the price to what we have here. So you determine your profit margin and then add it to the prices here. So that is all you need to do first. After that, you need to add money to your wallet. So you come here, you click on add fund. So, and you put in the amount of money you want to add to your wallet. Currently, if you're using the site for the first time, your e-wallet balance will be 0 naira. So you put the amount you want to fund your wallet with. Let's say I'm funding it with 20,000 naira. Then you click on bank transfer. That's the only option you have as a reseller. So you transfer to it will show you the bank details you have to transfer to. Yeah, which is the account details of the company representative. So Idris Ayakunle be blah blah blah. So for every money or every fund you send to your account, you need to add a 50 naira charge. It's a flat rate of 50 naira to any amount. Even if you are sending 1 million naira, all you need to add is just 15 naira flat rate for bank processing fee. So now you click on I have paid. You click on I have paid and then go ahead and make the transfer. So either of the two can come first. You can first of all make the transfer, then come online and do this, or you do this and then go ahead and then make the transfer. So now it says good news, 20,000 naira will be added to your e-wallet after your payment is confirmed. Thank you. So who will receive this request and then haven't confirmed your payment on a bank account, then we will confirm it and that 20,000 naira will reflect here. It will reflect in your e-wallet. Fine. So yeah, when others are now using your website assuming you a customer registered now, a customer will fund their wallet and see um they will be able to fund their wallet using your home bank details or using your Paystack details. So they can either pay into your Paystack. When they pay into your Paystack, it is automatic. Their wallet will be credited automatically, and then the money will be in your home Paystack account, which will be paid to you later by PayPal, sorry, by Paystack. Then if they are transferring to your account, it's the same process as I just did now. They will also see your account details, they will pay into it and they will click "I have paid." You will receive the alert and then you will credit their e-wallet. So how do you credit their e-wallet? From here you see these options that says view payment. So click on it. After you have received their payment alert, you come here, you will see the amount they paid exactly like this and it will be unconfirmed. So you will see an option to confirm it. You cannot confirm this one because you are the one paying into your account. You cannot pay and also confirm it by yourself. You are paying this one into your account, but you are paying to us. So we'll be the one to confirm it. But if a customer pays you, you will have the opportunity to click a button here to confirm the payment after you have received it. So when you confirm the payment will reflect in the customer's e-wallet. And at the same time, that exact amount of money the customer pay because customer has paid it into your own account, it will be deducted from your home balance, your balance of your own e-wallet. Once you approve the payment, then that exact amount will be deducted from your wallet and then credited into your customer's wallet. Fine. So let's go back home. And the next thing you need to know about is how to buy data. Buying data by your customer is also like what you're seeing here now. Sorry. They will select the network and then enter the mobile number. Let's see, 7, uh, something like that. This field can only contain 11 characters. So if you have space in between or whatever, that means the phrase will also be counted as part of your character. So you won't be able to enter your complete number. And you see, I've put a space now, so I can't. It won't allow any other number uh to enter. So I need to delete that space, then complete my digits. Now, you choose a data plan. Let's say I'm going for 1 megabyte. This 1 megabyte is actually 1024 MB. So it's 1 gig, that is 1024 MB, not this 1000 MB. Now, it's telling us that you are paying 300 naira for this 1 gig. That is what your customer will see. And the customer will go ahead and then pay with their e-wallet balance after they have already funded their account. So next to that is to click on proceed, and here is a summary of what they want to order for. This quantity, amount, and the mobile number, then the method of payment, which is e-wallet. So once they click on continue here, their uh, their account will automatically be debited of this amount, and then the data will also be credited to this phone number, all automatically. You have nothing to do. Even you might be somewhere doing something else, all these transactions will go on without your own input, without your own assistance, without you touching anything. So when they've done so, all you need to do, if you want to view like how many people have ordered for data on my website, you can come to view your orders. Because you are the admin, you'll be able to see every order that has been made through your website here. And at the same time, your customers too will be able to see orders that they have made, that an individual customer has made. So a customer will only see the orders that he has made and won't be able to see the orders for other customers. But you as the admin, sorry, as the admin, you'll be able to see all the order placed. So occasionally there might be network issue, maybe a data was not delivered successfully or so. You can check it out here by looking at the status of the order. So that is that. Yeah, when your customer, I need to explain this commission stuff. Now, your customer buy your data at 300 naira per gig while you are buying from us at 220 naira per gig. The difference there is 80 naira. So the moment your customer purchases 1 gig of data, 300 naira will be deducted from their account, and then out of those 300 naira, 220 will go to us as the one selling the data to them, while the balance of 80 naira will be credited into your commission account. So in your commission account, you can click on it to withdraw whatever you have there. You have two options to withdraw. Either you withdraw the entire your commission to your e-wallet account, that is, your commission will be transferred from this place to this e-wallet place. Then, or you want to withdraw it to your bank account, meaning that, but if you are withdrawing to your bank account, it will attract a processing fee of 5%. But if not, it will be processed free. If you are withdrawing to your e-wallet, you are charged nothing. It is totally free. So that is how it works. Whatever the settings you put there, the difference, the margin between how much we are selling to you and how much you are selling to customer will be credited into your commission account. So which you can also transfer back to your e-wallet and then use it to buy data, or you can also withdraw it. So this is how to use the website. It's very simple, it's very easy to use. So no issue. Then at the same time, yeah, you also have this think if you can see wallet balances. So this shows how much people have in your wallet. So in their wallet. So that they can use to buy data from you. This is just a sample. This is not exactly your home website. This is the local website, the one I have on my system, and it is different from what I have on the internet. So don't be surprised when you see this 10,000 naira. No, nobody has deposited 10,000 naira into your account. So this is just meant for training. That's why you see the fee there. So next thing, when people click on admin support, it will be linked to your WhatsApp, and then they can chat you up there if they have any issue. The same thing, they can also chat you up using this chat us link. And then finally, you can also log out. So simply, these are the two things you need to know initially when you set up your account. You know, go to settings, put your required prices, then add funds to your wallet, and then as your customers are buying, when they fund their account, the amount they are funding the account will be deducted from your own wallet, and it will be added to theirs. And then you know that the money they are paying into your own account, either your bank account or to your paystack account. So you are collecting cash, whatever, and then you are giving them part of the money you already have in your own wallet. So when they now buy data, then you they pay to us, that while we'll pay back the commission to you. So if you have any further question, you can just let me know. So this is just a short video to explain how you can use the website. Thank you very much for partnering with us. We wish you best of luck in this endeavor. Yeah, thank you.